Hey guys, welcome to ReveMoto how-to video. We're going to remove a 2015 Ford Explorer side view mirror. It's a very simple removal process. Here at ReveMoto, we do paint auto parts, fenders, is that a fender? Fender, hood, bumpers, rear bumpers. So today, we're not replacing this mirror, we're just going to show you how to do it because it's super easy. Look up here for this video for our universal ultimate side view mirror guide. We're going to show you what to do. So when you're changing out your side view mirror, you want to first check this little side cover right here, or interior cover. Sometimes all you have to do is remove this. There's other times you have to remove the door panel. Luckily on this vehicle, they did make it super easy. The one easy thing they made on this vehicle, it doesn't really break. So just remove this cover, you can pull it with your hands, or you could get a flathead screwdriver or a panel clip removal and just pop it off. It's just held on by three clips. So once that's off, you will see that there's a nut here, there's a bolt on the side here, and if you look inside here, there's another nut down there, which looks like it's difficult to get to, but what I did figure out is you can just pop off the panel a little bit on the corner right here, because you don't want to remove the whole panel. You want to work smarter, not harder. So for this, you're just going to get your 10mm socket wrench. I already pre-loosened the nuts, so it should be really fast to take off. You should do it by hand because it's easier. Take the one in the corner off. I mean, if you see this nut right here, it's a clear indication that you don't have to take the panel off. But sometimes it is a little hidden over here to the side, because normally it's all on this side of the door weather strip. But this is here. It's important to note you want to leave the mirror plugged in, so when you do remove all the nuts and the bolts, the mirror just doesn't fall down. So like I said, pull this door panel off a little bit, and you can fit your socket, short socket in there. You can pull back with some pressure. It's not going to pop off. It's held on by bolts in the center. So don't worry, you're not going to break it either. It's pretty hard plastic, the panel. If you could break it. I'm just using my fingers because it's faster. All right, so I'm just going to pull that out. Use my fingers again to unthread the bolt. It's actually a nut. Okay. So as you can see, it's kind of loose already. It's coming off. There's a little tab, if you can get in here to see. There's a tab right here. Kind of just press that in and pull it out. If your vehicle is like mine, you've probably never changed the mirror ever, so it kind of gets stuck. So what you can do is get a flathead screwdriver and then just kind of push that in and then pull it out with your hand. That's what I did before I started the video, just to loosen it up. But just squeeze it, pull it out. Make sure you're holding the mirror. Pull it out. This is the mirror. For whatever reason you're taking your mirror out, if it's broken, swap it out. This is it. Installing it is the same way, super easy. So let's just put it back in. I'm not going to bore you with the install. It's the same thing that I just did, but you do want to make sure that when you install it, your mirror, just plug it back in. Then before you attach all the screws and the bolts, we're just going to put it on to hold it. But basically what I'm trying to say is you want to make sure that the mirror functions properly. There's nothing like buying a brand new mirror. Let's say from us at ReveMoto. Link is in the comments in the description. Hello. But you want to make sure it works. Our mirrors will work. If for whatever reason our mirror doesn't work, we're going to cover you. We'll send you a new one. no stress. So let me just turn the car on and just double check it. Does it work? Can you get the glass? Make sure everything works. All right, so I'm just gonna install it. I'm not gonna bore you with the install. It's the same thing, just work in reverse. If you like this video, if it helps you out, please leave a like, smash that button, subscribe if you want to see some more videos. We got more content coming up. As always, go to ReveMoto.com for pre-painted auto parts and touch-up paint.